Welcome back to Miwa Japanese Cooking. Today I want to talk about something very important for our health, that is iron. Iron is a crucial mineral that our body needs to function properly. It plays a key role in producing hemoglobin that carries oxygen throughout our bodies. Without enough iron, we can feel tired, weak, and may even experience decreased immune function. Today I'm going to be sharing with you the delicious Japanese style recipe for iron-rich addictive salads. So let's get started. First up, dry daikon radish salad. Iron deficiency is actually quite common, especially among women. Factors like menstruation, pregnancy, and dietary choices can all contribute to low iron levels. When I was pregnant, I was deficient in iron and had to take supplements. I remember feeling very tired all the time, and since then, I've been mindful about getting enough iron in my diet. Keeping it in the back of your mind, even a little, can really change your food choices. Dry daikon radish, tuna, and spinach are all packed with iron. Make sure to squeeze the daikon radish before adding into the dressing. In a way, the daikon radish is going to soak up all the flavor from the sauce. Dry daikon, a dehydrated form of radish, is not only prized for its distinctive texture, but also for its nutritional benefits. Rich in dietary fiber, vitamins, and minerals, it promotes digestive health and contributes to overall well-being. Okay, so here at Miwa Japanese Cooking, we always love to incorporate variety of ingredients. But today, since I have a leftover spinach, so I'm going to introduce you another recipe using spinach combined with another iron-rich food, which is Hijiki seaweed. Do you guys know Hijiki seaweed? Is it available in your country? Let me know in the comment. So let's make that. So I always keep Hijiki seaweed into small container like this with the lid, but I find out this is wakame seaweed, not Hijiki seaweed, so I'm running out of Hijiki seaweed. I'm gonna go to the supermarket real quickly and then come back. See you in a minute. Be sure to hydrate dried hijiki by soaking it in plenty of water. Let it soak for about 20 minutes, then drain the water. If you plan to stir fry it, you are ready for the next step. However, if you are making a salad, like in this recipe, quickly blanch the hijiki in plenty of boiling water. This helps remove the seaweed smell. I always recommend Japanese traditional eating method called Ichiju Sansai, composed with 1 rice and 1 soup and 3 small side dishes. To everyone, since I made 2 salads as a side dish, so let's prepare the main dish and soup and rice together. And my kids is gonna do the taste testing at the end of this video, so stay tuned for that. So let's do it. So as always, all the recipes in the description box below. I mean on my website, and the link is in the description box below. So I hope you can enjoy that in your kitchen.
そのサラダは合格だねこれ。じゃあ大根のやつ食べて。どう？首を横に振る。ダメ？いやママもそれは食べない気がしたわ。どう？お！
ちょっと酸っぱい。
ちょっと酸っぱい。
全部だよ。
そんな気がしてた。酸っぱくなかったら？
美味しい。
おお。酸っぱい？
うま
あ、本当。にしてもノートが散らかってたりもうち悲惨だ。
い。うまっ。
パクパク食べてるね。切り干し大根以外はいい感じ。一番なんだった？何が一番好き？
一番。
ツナとコーンのサラダ。2番スープ。
4番。
大根のサラダ3位。5位が鮭？なんで？
骨が入ってる。
骨が入ってるから。1位スープ、それすごい意外。鮭。サラダね。ひじきのサラダね。4位ご飯。5位切り干し大根のサラダ。まあ予想通りだわ。Hi. So we are about to launch our new tableware brand for you to enjoy more Ichiju-san style eating at home. Before, let me just show you. Super beautiful, isn't it? I love them so much. We have more than 40 items. And before the official launch, we are offering an exclusive preview to our newsletter subscribers along with a 10% off coupon code. We have a curated collection of truly beautiful handmade items. Therefore, we only have about a handful of pieces of each item in stock. So make sure to subscribe to our newsletter and get your favorite before it's run out. And the link for the newsletter is in the description box. And thank you so much for your support in advance. I could have done it without your help and your encouragement. Official announcement will be on next video, hopefully. So stay tuned. Thank you. Bye. またね。